Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, now I am going to take the schoolboy, the poem, and let us start. The schoolboy in the poem is not happy child. Okay, this boy who is going to school, he is very disappointed and not happy child. What makes him unhappy? Why does he compare himself to a bird that live in a cage? But he compare himself with a bird that live in a cage. Okay? And or a plant what withers when it should blossom. And he compare himself with the plant with whom it should blossom. I love to rise in the summer morning. The boy loves to write in the summer morning. When the birds sing on every tree, the distant huntsman winds his horn. At this time only, I saw the huntsman's noise also. Okay, and the skylark sing with me. And the skylark is a small singing bird. And the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company. Oh, this is a very sweet company. I enjoy with this company and I am very happy with them. But to go to school in a summer morning, oh, it drives all joy away. It drives all joy, it means it disturb all my joy. Okay, it drives all my joy away. Okay, next. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. Under a cruel eye is the eye of a teacher. The boy's teacher, the school going boy's teacher, they are somehow cruel. Cruel, it means at the time of making mistake, they beat him very badly. So he is calling his teacher cruel. Okay. Okay, so we were here. His teachers were cruel. Might be the teachers were beating him so badly by any mistake done by him. So the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. And on that day, the boy becomes very unhappy. He became very dismay and sighing. Then at times I drooping sit and spend many an anxious hour. At this time I was sitting at one place and I was spending so many anxious, it means worried hours. Nor in my book can I take delight. I was not taking any delight in my books. I was very anxious, I was very worried that how can I go to school. Instead of going to school, I wanted to stay with the birds. Nor sit in learning's bower. Learning bower means the class of learning. Okay, I did not want to sit in a learning's bower. Worn through with the deary shower. I want to take a deary shower. It means the shower of the morning. It means there are some dews on the leaves at the morning time. Okay, so I want to take a bath in that deary shower. How can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wings and forgot his youthful spring? And how is it possible? As like the bird cannot, if we cage the bird, as you people have also seen in your Princess September. the chapter. Okay, if we cage the bird, it cannot sing properly, and if it cannot sing properly, we have to free him, as Princess September has done. She make that bird free, so it can sing properly, nicely for her, and really it was singing very beautifully for her. So the tragedy of the boy is like a caged bird. If that bird, that skylark, is very nice in singing, but if we caged her, then it is very hard to that caged bird to sing in open space. How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wings? The bird was now feeling that my wings have been cut down. Then how can I fly? How can freely I fly? And forgot his youthful spring. And how can I forgot my youthly spring? Okay, so this is the poem. I am reading the poem again, and these 4 lines I am taking you. O father and mother, if birds are nipped and blossom blown away, and if the tender plants spring of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise joy or summer fruits appear? O father and mother, now he is appealing to his parents. If birds are nipped wood and blossoms blown away, if we take out the birds of that particular plant, of that tree, then how can it blossom? Okay, if it means if you are not going to make me enjoy in the summer day, summer morning, then how can my growth will be? And if the tender plants stripped wood of their joy in springing day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy? How can summer will be there if spring will not be there? Okay, so this is the poem by William Blake. Okay, you have to write down these words also. For example, nipped, this is short form. Stripped, this is short form. Okay, pronunciation is nipped. To nip, it means something in a bird is to stop or destroy it an early stage of its development. So many birds, you know, birds मतलब कलियाँ, काफ़ी सारी कलियाँ होती है जो यू कैन से दैट जो खिलने से पहले ही मुरझा जाती है. दिस सिचुएशन इज कॉल्ड निप्ड. Okay, so take care of you.